Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -1, and y equals 37. The second point has x equals 1, and y equals 8.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -1 to x equals 1, the run is 2. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 37 to y equals 8, the rise is -29.
Slope is rise divided by run, -29/2, which simplifies to -29/2. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -29/2, x1 is -1, and y1 is 37.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.